This is the Iowa Weather Report for Saturday, August 2nd, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we still have this trough over the Great Lakes in the northeast, the ridge over the desert southwest Four Corners region. We still have a northwesterly flow aloft. We still have sunshine around. We still have afternoon clouds. Highs will be mainly in the 80s. It's becoming a little more humid. We've noticed the humidity level slowly increasing each day. A pop-up shower can't be ruled out today. Sunday, GFS has a lot of green around. That would more or less signify that there's probably a slightly better chance of seeing some showers and maybe a thunderstorm on Sunday and maybe even Monday, but still 90 to 95% of the state looks to remain dry. Any of these storms, if they move rather slowly, could dump quite a bit of rain. And while that's going on, we have a tropical storm. You can see it with this enhanced area off east of the Carolinas. That's likely Tropical Storm Bertha as it begins to recurve. It's also going to cause this storm system that's moving in here on Tuesday and into Wednesday to slow as this storm, as Bertha moves to the north and east. So the timing is more toward Tuesday night, Wednesday, and into the day Thursday, which is the first day of State Fair. You can see here Thursday, low pressure center around Sioux Falls. Better, heaviest chances of precipitation look to be over northeastern and eastern Iowa into Minnesota, Wisconsin. Not sure about the timing of how much of the day could be wet in Des Moines for State Fair. We'll have to see. By Friday, that storm is off toward about Milwaukee and Chicago. Can't rule out a shower or storm around, but we should see some clearing. Then as we go into the first weekend of the State Fair, you see pretty much a zonal flow across the country. You can see this little disturbance over the Great Lakes. That's the system that's starting to depart the area at this point. However, there still could be some showers and storms around. Timing this out is going to be very difficult with a tropical storm recurving and timing these out, so we'll have to have at least a few more model runs to get this through. Going into the extended period, this is the 13th of August. Now our trough is over the northwest. Pretty much a ridge over the southeast, or pretty much almost no airflow in the southeast. Southwesterly winds aloft, that's going to pump the warm air in. Temperatures likely into the 80s, maybe a few 90s. But you can see cold air dumping into the country, into Montana, Wyoming. This will bring a vigorous storm system, if this is true, through the state. And as we go to the end of the forecast, August the 17th, which is the last day of the State Fair, you can see a disturbance moving through the Missouri River Valley, moving into the area. Could produce some showers and storms if this is right, over mainly the southern two-thirds of the state. Readings, if this is right, would be near seasonal levels around the 80 to 85 degree mark. But talking about the present day, this is the satellite image from last evening. We had a frontal system and disturbance moving off the east coast with some clouds and a few showers there. Monsoonal flow continuing over the southwest, clouds over the northwest, and some clouds in the plains. The watch warning map from last evening, some flash flood watches over the Carolina coast, New Mexico, West Texas, or in and around Las Vegas. And red flag warning in Oregon, tropical storm warning off the east coast near the Bahamas. You can see with the QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Wednesday evening at 7 o'clock. Rainfall around here could be up to a half to 1 inch, heaviest over the southwest with 1 to 3 inches, and also over the Carolina coast where quite a bit more could fall.